Just going to put this into, using Euler's rule, into e to a power. This would be root 2, but it'll be e to the power of. Now, it's in that quadrant, and the acute angle theta, or tan theta equals -1. And in that quadrant, if you put tan the -1 of 1, you're going to get pi on 4. So it's going to be pi minus pi on 4, which is 135. So it's 3 pi on 4. So it's e to the 3 pi on 4i. Okay, and on the bottom, that's going to be 2. And we've got to make sure we put this all to the power of 4. That's going to be 2e to the, now it's going to be positive, negative, it's going to be there. Tan theta is 1 on root 3 with a negative. So it's going to be minus, that's going to be 30 pi on 6, and we're going to do that all to the power of 3. Now, you can just use your index rule, like, form, because you can just make that e to the 3 pi on 4i times 4, and e to the minus pi on 6 times 3. So 2 to the 2, that'll be 4 on 8. 2 to the 2, so half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4 on 8. Okay, so now with the e's, that means that that's going to be e to the, now the 4's will cancel out. This one should have an I on it as well. So it's 3 pi I, and on the bottom, that goes into that 2. So it's going to be minus pi on 2i. So all I've got to do here is get a common denominator. So it's a half e to the, now the common denominator is 2. That's going to be I, that's going to be 6 pi plus pi on 2. So it'll end up being 1/2 e to the I, 7 pi on 2. Now, you can actually reduce 7 pi on 2, because 7 nines are 630. If you took away 360 from that, that would be 5, that would be 372, it would be 270, which equals minus 90. So it's a half e to the minus I pi on 2. Or you could go a half cis pi on 2, which is a half cos of 90 is 0, and sine of 90 is 1. So it's just going to be, wait a minute, it's minus, isn't it? It's minus 90. Cos of sine of minus 90 is minus 1. So it's going to be, it's a minus 1 I. So it's going to end up being minus a half as your final answer.